Come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. A very good morning to all of you children. Welcome to your English class. I hope all of you are ready with your
Good
books.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This is Nipun. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, now you can mute yourselves. Who has joined from Shalini Agarwal ID?
Adilaj Agarwal.
All
Good
right,
morning,
Adiraj. Good
ma'am. This is
morning.
Prashasti.
This is
Good morning.
Pranjali. This is Pranjali, who's joined
Good
from Piru
morning, ma'am.
Mishra.
This is Prashasti Mishra.
Okay, this is Prashasti. Adiraj, switch on your camera. Christopher, Manjeet, some children are playing with their cameras. Keep your cameras on so that I can see you. Children, now I told you there are some new students who have joined Cathedral family. One of them was Vinayak, who had already started joining the classes from day one. Today we have Adhiraj. We have Adhiraj Agarwal. He is also in your class 1C. Right? So Adhiraj, we welcome you to class 1C. And these are all your friends. You have a lot of friends now. So you can chat with them. You can take their numbers. Everybody is there in the group. You can call them, speak to them, make friends with them. Right? You won't be lonely now. You have new friends. पुराने स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स थे, न्यू स्कूल में भी फ्रेंड्स बना लीजिएगा. Okay? Now children, the morning assembly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And Prashasti also. We have Prashasti, who's also a new student. We welcome you, Prashasti, to class 1C. You can also make new friends. They are all from class 1C. You can talk
Hello,
to them.
ma'am.
Good morning. So children, we have Vinayak, we have Adhiraj, and we have Prashasti, who are new to the Cathedral family. Once again, we welcome to the Cathedral family. And this is your English period. We will be beginning.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. We were doing English literature, the lesson Taking a Laddu. I hope all of you have learnt up the spellings that I had sent to you. You have done the work in your literature copy. If yes, give me a thumbs up quickly. Okay, that's right. Now let me tell you one thing before we go on further to the lesson. Listen carefully, all of you, all right? आप लोग ग्रुप में काम सब लोग पोस्ट करते हैं. अब सब लोग एक साथ काम पोस्ट मत करिएगा, क्योंकि इससे क्या हो रहा है कि सबके फ़ोन्स पर डेटा बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, सबको प्रॉब्लम होगी. मम्मी पापा के पास ज़्यादा स्टोरेज का स्पेस प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इज, आई विल बी पोस्टिंग द नेम्स ऑफ 5 स्टूडेंट्स. हम 5 स्टूडेंट्स के नेम पोस्ट करेंगे और टाइम भी बता देंगे. उसी टाइम पर वो 5 स्टूडेंट्स अपने वर्क, जो भी वर्क हम मांगेंगे, उसकी पिक्चर क्लिक करके ग्रुप में पोस्ट करेंगे. उसके बाद हम करेक्शंस करके ग्रुप में ही डालेंगे. ऑलराइट, सो दैट द अदर चिल्ड्रन जिनकी कॉपीज नहीं चेक हो पाई है, वो उस वर्क को देखकर अगर आपके वर्क में कोई भी करेक्शन होगा उसी तरह का, तो आप उसको सही कर सकते हैं. राइट? एंड एवरीबडीज टर्न विल कम. ये मत सोचिएगा मैम ने आज सिर्फ इन 5 बच्चों को मांगा है. और बाकी बच्चों की टर्न नहीं आएगी, सबकी टर्न आएगी। हम 5-5 करके किसी भी सब्जेक्ट का काम किसी भी दिन मांग सकते हैं। तो आपको अपना वर्क डेली कंप्लीट करना है और अपनी हैंडराइटिंग में कंप्लीट करना है। Got it, all of you? If yes, give me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Prashasti, you don't have to unmute. You just have to give a thumbs up, right? Okay. So, now we are going back to our lesson. Page number 12. Remember we did this lesson on Saturday? All of you ready? Adhiraj, do you have your books with you? Prashasti, both of you have your books?
I am
Adhiraj doesn't have the books. Okay, Prashasti, you have your books? All right, Prashasti is gone. So Adhiraj.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Prashasti, good. Adhiraj, what you are going to do is you will have to take help from some friends. All right, they will forward. Vinayak, you have got your books also? Vinayak, have you got your books, child? Can you hear me, Vinayak?
I have my book.
You have the books. Vinayak? All right. Adhiraj, अगर क्लास में बैठ रहे हैं तो पूरे डिसिप्लिन के साथ में क्लास में बैठते हैं, मैम की बात सुनते हैं. I will be asking one of the children to help you out. They'll click pictures and send you. Then you can keep that ready for the class if you don't have the books. Right? So children, getting back to our lesson, taking a laddu. I told you the story. Does anyone remember the story? अगर किसी को ये story पूरी याद है lesson की, so raise your hand.
Ma'am.
You have to raise your hand only, Astha. All right, Astha. Astha,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me what the story is about?
Story about a laddu.
The story is about?
Cooking laddu.
Yes, come on. What is there in the story?
Kanya.
So Kanya is there, okay.
One day the Kanya goes to sweet shop.
Okay, you don't have to read just now. Astha, I was just asking, do you know the story? All right. Visual? Visual? Who goes to the sweet shop? Who goes to the sweet shop? Visual? Sukanya, very good. Okay, next, Hassan. What does Sukanya go to buy? Quickly, quick.
Pera.
She goes to buy peras. Okay, very good. Ishanvi? Ishanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ishanvi. What does she pick up from the shop?
Laddu.
Laddu. Very good. Okay. Arav? Does her mother get angry with her?
Yes.
Yes, her mother tells her that she's done the wrong thing. Right. Okay. Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Is Sukanya a good girl?
Yes.
Yes, she is. How can you say that she is a good girl? All right, I'll tell you. We can say that Sukanya is a good girl because she returned the box of laddus. sorry, she returned that one laddu which she had picked up quietly. Now children, I'm just repeating the story once again because there are many children who were absent on Saturday. There were many children who were absent on Saturday. So once again, I'm quickly going to explain the lesson to you. One day, Sukanya goes to a sweet shop. She buys a kilo of peras. She sees a tray of laddus. The shopkeeper is busy. Sukanya picks up a laddu. Now one day there was a little girl, her name was Sukanya, and she goes to a sweet shop. वो मिठाई की दुकान पे जाती है. उसकी मम्मी ने उसको बोला था जाकर 1 किलो पेराज लाने के लिए. और जब वो वहाँ पहुँचती है, उसको सामने शॉप में ट्रे में ढेर से लड्डू दिखते हैं. Can you see this picture? Give me a thumbs up. And she is very excited. She sees the shopkeeper is busy. शॉपकीपर दूसरों को सामान देने में बिजी था, तो उसने चुपचाप जल्दी से एक लड्डू वहां से उठा लिया और अपने पैकेट में डालकर घर चली जाती है. जब वो घर आती है, मम्मी ने उसको देखा. Her mother sees the laddu in the packet. She asks Sukanya about the laddu. Sukanya is silent. Silent means quiet. बिल्कुल चुप हो जाती है, कुछ नहीं बोलती है. मम्मी को समझ में आ जाता है. उसके बाद सुकन्या टेल्स मम एवरीथिंग. सुकन्या ने मम्मी को सारी बात बता दी. शी वॉज अ गुड गर्ल. देन हर मदर सेज, इफ यू टेक समथिंग विदाउट आस्किंग, इट इज स्टीलिंग. मम्मी ने उसको समझाया, बेटे अगर बिना बताए किसी को कोई चीज आप ले लेते हैं तो उसको चोरी बोलते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टीलिंग. Now go and return the laddu to the shopkeeper. सुकन्या की मम्मी उसको बोलती है, अब जाकर ये लड्डू शॉपकीपर को रिटर्न करो. So she goes to the shopkeeper and she says sorry to him and she returns the laddu. The shopkeeper was very happy. He gives her a box of laddus as a gift. शॉपकीपर बहुत खुश हो गया और उसने सुकन्या को 1 full box of laddu gift कर दिया. Now understood the story, all of you? Understood the story now? All right. So, now, let me see how many can read. I'm going to call out your names. Are you ready? You have to do the reading of the lesson. Manjeet? Manjeet, begin reading.
Story.
Astha, you don't have to unmute in between, child. Just wait. When your turn comes, then you will unmute. Manjeet, begin reading quickly. And all of you follow in the book. Everybody, some of you are feeling sleepy. Yawning. हाँ, ऐसे कर रहे हैं बहुत बच्चे. कल देर से सोए थे. Yes, Manjeet, begin. Taking a laddu. Read the heading first.
Taking a laddu.
Yes. One day, Sukanya goes to a sweet shop. Okay, thank you. All right, just one line. Prashasti, continue. Yes, Prashasti? You have the book? Yes? बुक है आपके पास? You don't have the book? बाकी सब है. English की? All right, no problem. Okay, Nipun, you continue. She buys.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read. She buys A kilo of
Yes, ma'am.
pedas. Nipun, hurry up. Open your mouth and read. She buys.
One day Sukanya.
Read the next sentence. She buys
She buys a
of
she buys a kilo of
pedas. Okay, thank you. Ronak, continue. Next sentence.
one day
She sees a tray
Sukanya.
of laddus. Children, you have to continue the next sentence. एक एक सेंटेंस पढ़ेंगे सब, इसलिए सबको ध्यान से सुनना है. She sees, Ronak, she sees a tray of
a tray of
laddus.
laddus.
Okay, thank you. That's it, Ronak. Thank you. Hardik, continue. Hardik, continue. The shopkeeper. The shopkeeper The shopkeeper. हार्दिक मैम की सुनिए. The shopkeeper
The shopkeeper
is busy.
is busy.
Okay, Inaya, continue.
Sukanya picks a laddu.
Picks up a laddu.
Okay.
Again.
She comes
No, the
back
same sentence again. Sukanya picks up a laddu.
Sukanya picks up a laddu.
Okay, thank you. Ishanvi, the next sentence. Ishanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, continue the next sentence. She. You don't have the book. Okay. Astha, the next sentence. Astha,
Yes, ma'am.
the next sentence. और बेटे कैमरा ऑफ करके आप लोग मत बैठ जाया करिए प्लीज. हम बार बार आप लोग को बोल रहे हैं, सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. बार बार आप लोग कैमरा ऑफ कर रहे हैं, ऑन कर रहे हैं. एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड चिल्ड्रन, सो बी केयरफुल. Don't play in the class. Okay, come on, read. She comes back home.
One mother sees
Read the sentence on page number 12, Asta. She comes.
back on the
Okay, thank you. Vali, page number 13. Her mother sees the laddu in the packet. Okay, thank you. Christopher, the next sentence. Quickly, Christopher. Yes, Christopher, quickly. She asked Sukanya about the laddu. Okay, Ria,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, read that sentence. She asked Sukanya
She asked Sukanya
about
about
the
the
laddu. Okay, thank you. Hassan, the next sentence quickly. जल्दी से mic on करके read करना है. Come on. Hassan, ready quickly. Sukanya is silent. Hassan, look in your book. You have the book in front of you. Read that sentence. Read page number 13. Sukanya is silent. बुक को टेबल पर रखिए, अपनी फिंगर उस पे रखिए. Sukanya is silent. Hassan, read. Okay, Meher, read. Hassan is taking a lot of time. You have to be quick, children. Sukanya.
Mom, again.
Okay. Next. Vinayak, you have the book. Come on, read. Next sentence. Mom asked Sukanya. Mom asked. Come on, Vinayak, read.
Mom, again.
Mom asked again. Children, you have to read. You are not reading, children. Omanshu, read.
Mom asked
Again. Okay, thank you. Hriday, next sentence. Sukanya tells mom.
Tell Mom everything.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm just continuing with the reading so that we finish it quickly now. Mom says, if you take something without asking, it is stealing. Now go and return the laddu to the shopkeeper. Sukanya returns the laddu to the shopkeeper and says sorry. The shopkeeper is happy. He gives her a box of laddus as a gift. Now, the next thing that we have here is an exercise, exercise A. Now, quickly, you will just tell me yes or no. If you know the answer, you will raise your hands. Okay? Sukanya buys a kilo of laddus. Sukanya shop में जाकर एक किलो लड्डूस खरीदती है. Okay, yes or no?
No.
Yes, Meher?
No.
No.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
So please write over there N-O, no. In front of the sentence, you will write N-O, no. Adhiraj, class की जो manners है, if you have to ask something, you will raise your hand. Alright? और मैम जब किसी एक बच्चे से क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है तो उसी को आंसर करने दीजिए. जब आपसे पूछेंगी आप आंसर करिएगा. Alright? You have to maintain discipline in the class. Alright, the next sentence. Sukanya takes a laddu without asking. Think. Sukanya takes a laddu without asking. बिना पूछे सुकन्या वहां से एक लड्डू ले लेती है. Yes or no? Yes, Rishita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please write over there yes, all of you. In front of that sentence, Y-E-S, yes. Next sentence, Sukanya returns the laddu to the shopkeeper. Sukanya returns the laddu to the shopkeeper. Arav? Sukanya returns the laddu to the shopkeeper. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yes. So please put over there yes, children. And the last sentence, the shopkeeper is happy with Sukanya. The shopkeeper is happy with Sukanya. Shubh?
Yes. Yes.
The shopkeeper is happy with Sukanya. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. So please write over there yes. और जैसे मैंने साइंस की एक्सरसाइजेस के साइड में लिखा था लर्न, इसी तरह यहाँ पर भी आप लिखेंगे लर्न, LEARN,
मैम मुझे ये लर्निंग है।
LEARN, learn. See here, I have written. Can you all see? All right. Now, let me take your attendance. All of you ready for attendance? Sit straight and you will answer quickly. You will answer quickly when I call out your name. Anya Nigam,
Yes, ma'am.
Arav Maurya,
Present, ma'am.
Ayat Momina,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anay Mishra, Ansh Francis, Ansh is absent. Aradhya Srivastav, Astha Tripathi, okay, Ayat Fatima Rizvi, Prashasti, mute yourself. Christopher Massey, Christopher, answer. You are there in the class. Answer quickly. Hardik Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Hayat Khan, Inaya Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Hriday Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Rishita Sumani, Mahira, Mahira Fazal, Mahira is there. ये जितने बच्चों ने अपना माइक ऑन कर रखा है उसको म्यूट करिए। अभी हम अटेंडेंस ले रहे हैं, जिस बच्चे का नेम कॉल आउट होगा वो अनम्यूट करके आंसर करेगा। अगर आपके तरफ से नॉइज आती रहेगी बाकी बच्चे अपने नेम्स नहीं सुन पाएंगे। मनजीत वर्मा,
Present, ma'am.
Mahira Fazal is there in the class? No. Meher Fatima Naqvi,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Mohammad Arham,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Mustafa, Mohammad Hassan, Nipun Giri,
Present, ma'am.
Nipun,
Present, ma'am.
Oman Shagarwal,
Present, ma'am.
okay.
Present, ma'am.
Pranjali Singh, Pranjali, Ronik Rastogi,
Present, ma'am.
Priya,
Present, ma'am.
Rudraksh Sandil,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Sakina Abbas,
Present, ma'am.
शिवांश मिश्रा। सकीना कैमरा ऑफ मत करिए, आप बार बार कैमरा ऑफ कर रही हैं।
Present, ma'am.
ओके, शुभ,
Present, ma'am.
सैयद मोहम्मद अली अल्तमश, सैयद मोहम्मद वली अब्बास, वैष्णवी गुप्ता,
Present, ma'am.
विहान तिवारी, विहान, बिजवल मेहरा, प्रशस्ति मिश्रा, प्रशस्ति, now you can switch on your mic and say present ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Adhiraj Agarwal,
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Vinayak Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Vinayak, you have to answer quickly, child. Now, children, you can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. You have maths in the next period. Yes. Be ready with your maths books, right? Thank
Yeah,
you.
ma'am. Thank you,
Okay, thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye, ma'am.